Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial on Rank Math SEO plugin. In this video, we'll take you through the practical steps of using Rank Math to optimize your website for better search engine rankings. This is the first AI SEO plugin with over 2 million happy users. So let's dive right in. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then Add New. Search for Rank Math, and it's the first one on the list. It only takes about 10 seconds to install this plugin and 1 click to activate it. You may go to wordpress.org to download and install it. That's another option for you to pick. Let's click Install Now and then hit Activate. Now the plugin successfully activated. Please browse around the Rank Math plugin screen. Now that we have Rank Math installed, let's configure it for your website. Don't worry, Rank Math has a user-friendly setup wizard. It is simple. Click on View Details, and you can see that Rank Math SEO is open source software and the first WordPress SEO plugin to use AI, and it has 5-star ranking. Let's find Rank Math SEO on Plugins list and click on Setup Wizard. Take a look at the screen. After you select Easy Mode, then press the big blue button Start Wizard. In this tutorial, we pick Easy Mode, which is free, and Advanced and Custom Mode are paid versions. Just fill in the necessary information step by step and select the desired settings based on your website needs. You may type in the basic information initially. It may take a couple of minutes to fill in the form. Great! We've successfully configured Rank Math, but here's the best part. You can always go back and fine-tune the settings whenever you want. One of the essential aspects of SEO is keyword research and optimization. Let's find relevant keywords for our example website and optimize a blog post using Rank Math. Let's go to Dashboard of the site and browse around Rank Math SEO features. You may click through General Setting, Titles and Meta, Sitemap Settings, SEO Analyzer, and Analytics as you want. Click on Titles and Meta. Fill in your global title and meta carefully. Google does not use the keyword meta tag in web ranking. Because of these reasons, they do not have an option to add meta keywords to your posts. But this is for your benefit, as it has absolutely no effect on your SERPs or SERP rankings. Let's log in WordPress site and open Dashboard. Go to Rank Math SEO, click on General Settings. Please make sure that the Open External Links in New Tab Window option is turned on, which is blue button. The next important step is to set up Content AI. Click on Content AI, and you will get sophisticated AI suggestions for related content. Select your audience country and post type you use for Content AI, then click Save Changes. The most important thing in optimizing your blog posts for search engines is to write high-quality content consistently. This means writing content that is informative, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. Now AI can save you lots of time and effort. Next, click on Titles and Metas of Rank Math SEO. In the Titles and Meta settings, you can enter your focus keywords, and Rank Math SEO will automatically generate SEO-friendly titles and meta descriptions for your blog posts. In Global Meta area, check Index or No Index and so on for your posts. You may fill in separator character or just keep as is. Navigate to Homepage. Change or edit as you want. Go to Landing Pages. Replace the default title, SEP, and site name by your site data. Let's go to Dashboard of the website and find Rank Math SEO. Click on Indexing, and we are at Settings. Submit posts from these post types automatically to the IndexNow API when a post is published, updated, or trashed. Having an XML sitemap and a properly configured robots TXT file is crucial for search engines to crawl and index your site effectively. Let's generate a sitemap instantly using Rank Math. Press Sitemap Settings. Your sitemap index can be found here. Your site name, sitemap, index, OSML. You may turn on images and sitemaps. This helps search engines index the important images on your pages. Now accessing Rank Math's SEO analysis and performance features of your website. Click on the links and connect your Rank Math SEO account by hitting the blue Connect Now button. You may connect a free account using Facebook, Google, WordPress.com, or email address. Every website is different. We will not cover SEO analysis and performance data detailedly, which is self-explanatory. Rank Math provides valuable insights into your website's SEO performance, including rankings, backlink analysis, and more. Once you have written high-quality content, you need to promote your blog posts so that people can find them. That's a wrap for our practical tutorial on Rank Math SEO plugin. We've covered everything from installation and configuration to meta optimization, sitemaps, and performance analysis. It gives you the best chance of ranking higher in Google than any other SEO plugin. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy ranking!